we're up quite early, a bit bleary-eyed. Jackie and myself and little Lil, we're off down to Liberty's Bird of Prey Centre. Never been there. We're going to go and see Jayson Bridges and the crew. They breed quite a few birds of prey for centre work, conservation, falconers and so on and so forth. We're going to go and pick up a little fluff ball of a weird thing that's, needed on our team to fill a gap and really to help talk about generally his kind and the conservation they need in a fun way, while our guests, of course, get hands-on flying him in the sky in the future. So I'll keep you posted. Another cup of tea, we're on our way. We're here. Little Lil's ready, Jackie's ready, I'm ready. Let's go and see what we see.
Baby Max. Baby Max. Grandma?
So here it is. How old is it, Jayson? Roughly
4 weeks.
4 weeks old. And at what age is this little creature going to look like a vulture and fledge and be fully penned?
So it'd be fully grown up to 16 weeks.
Okay, so quite slow, like a big eagle, or probably slower even maybe than some of the eagles. Relatively slow, you say?
Being a vulture as well, so he'll run around on the floor quite a bit. So he'll be following you around, a bit like a puppy to start with.
Oh my goodness. And how are you keeping it now?
So he's outside in an aviary at the moment, obviously not present in the video, as you're just about to move in.
Yeah.
But yeah, he'll run around and he gets disfed, so no hand feed, and then spend as much time as you can with him.
Hello.
That was 54, 56.
So here he is, back home, or rather, here he is in Northamptonshire, a little mite. Look at him. So he's been rolled around in the van for 3 hours and 150 miles. Settled down for it, so he's very, very hungry now. He has a little bit sick on the way home, which is often the case. So give him some food. Look at him. Let's have a bit of food tomorrow morning. Take over his foster care to start with. God knows I don't want to stick a dusty vulture in my hair. But a little ball of flesh, it looks great. It's not very big, like this sort of size. Oh look, he's hungry. So we'll give him some food, let him chill out after his long journey. Eating like the little vulture that he is, look. He was hungry, wasn't he? Bless him. Wow, it's like when I go to 4-year-old children's parties and they have the party food. Wow, it's like a Hoover.
It sounds like he's saying.
Bless him. Oh, he's living his grub. You get that down, you know. And I'll do the dishes. Already seems intelligent, and only the vultures can do. Even at that tiny age, so much about him already. Great things. Look at his crop. Greedy little sausage, he still wants some more. Look at that. What a fluff ball he really is. Good girl. He's trying to eat the dog. He's so cute, isn't he? So first off then, what about that little cutie? A little turkey vulture. He's got a lot of growing to do. And according to Jay, probably going to be about 16 weeks old before really his proper training starts and he's properly fully hard penned. His feathers are finished and he's fully grown there. So great little guy. Hopefully the girls and the team here are going to love rearing that little fellow up. The public will probably get to name him. And hopefully he'll be here on our experience days, on our open days, either soaring for an audience or flying to our experience day guest glove. Thank you so much to Jayson for rearing that guy thus far. He was ordered many months ago, as was Pedro. A Pedro replacement, is that something you can say? A new burrowing owl. Pedro's finally passed away, 11 and a half years old. He spent the last winter free roaming really in Ursell's flat with her, living the life of luxury, and crucially for something elderly and decrepit in a warm environment, not a cold winter weather. So he lived out his best life, strangely accompanied by her pet rats. Yeah, it's strange how animals will get on in a captive kind of environment, let alone in the wild, of course. So he did well. He has finally passed away. He was very old, well over 100 in human years, and he had a great life here at Icarus Falconry. Probably one of the most remembered and well-known birds here was Pedro the burrowing owl. Sadly, Jayson's failed to breed this year, so no burrowing owl this year, but we do have another vulture on the team as part of our premier experiences and our vulture and eagle days. So what about Liberty's bird of prey and reptile and owl centre? I've said that all the wrong way around. I've got to say, Jayson Bridges he's younger than me, but he has the passion and the drive that I'm feeling quite thwarted by lately. The constant, just the running of a centre. I don't go out and do falconry displays around the country like he does and like I used to. I don't seem to have any, I'm just not training and flying any birds like I always was for many, many years. I feel that both Jack and I, whether it's office-based work or maintenance work here, we have kind of got that going on a bit. Now Jayson's got that as well. Here, that place, if he was there a few years ago, go back. Liberty's Centre is really evolved. He's told me what he's done in the last 2 years, and just, well, made me feel tired. Just listen to his future projects for this coming winter, you know, when it's the close season. As you saw in the video, that is a short video, there's already new building work going on. They've got a great team of birds, a fascinating team of birds. They breed birds of prey, so great for conservation, and it allows other people to have them fly these and work with these birds. A really good area if you go there. Maybe down in the New Forest on holiday, you got your family. Lots to do for your little tiny kids. Lots of play areas. A much bigger play area coming soon. Another thing he's doing there. Like a maze. It's quite an interesting place. Icarus Falconry, with one big rectangle. There is quite a maze. You really will be walking around and discovering new birds, and even a giant tortoise lurking around the corner. And that brings me, of course, a great reptile room. It's just several exhibits in large enclosures, looking great. Something we hope to do here at Icarus Falconry. And the current climate, financial climate all around, has that's just not going to happen, certainly in the foreseeable future. So great to see at Liberties they've already got something that I'd love to have here. So great day out. We didn't have long. It is a short video clip of just a taster of what's there. The aviaries are all in excellent condition. The birds are in very excellent condition indeed. A big team of staff there looking after all those animals. Flying displays, I was almost in and out. We probably had an hour on the ground. I was kind of a bit between displays. Talking to Jayson at the end in the car park as we were loading up the little fluff ball. I saw a tiny bit of a flying display. I saw a Atlanta falcon because it was above the hedge line. I couldn't see the flying arena, but from the car park, Atlanta falcon flying really well. And a Harris hawk on flat ground, soaring above the flying arena. That's something special. The Harris hawk being the brilliant bird it is, but to see them soaring by getting the lift themselves, not many of them actually do that. Really great. A great day out. For goodness sakes, if you're down south of England, go to Liberty's Owl Reptile Bird of Prey Centre. Go and see the staff. They're all really friendly and amiable, and you're going to see some great displays, some fantastic, unusual and rare birds of prey. How rare? He's got a pair of white-headed vultures. Go and see those for sure. You won't see those at many other places indeed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned to see how the little fluff ball turns out to grow. Yeah, turns out as he grows up, and what his name turns out to be. Thanks for watching, guys.